secure a win, a victory. Therefore, you're gonna climb back on the table.
Doesn't matter where they sit on the table.
Tidak penting katanya di mana mereka di klasemen.
We have to do our things
Kita harus tetap lakukan tugas kita
and win the game.
dan menangkan pertandingan.
Coach, mengenai kondisi Guy Junior dan Prem apakah di laga nanti
Guy Junior is injured for a longer time.
Guy Junior nanti akan cedera untuk waktu yang cukup panjang.
He injured his Achilles tendon.
Achilles tendon. Cederanya adalah Achilles tendon.
And he's still on the researching what is the best way for his revalidation, but we'll take for sure.
Dia masih tetap menganalisa, mencari diagnosa apa tentang cedera ini, tapi tentu saja cedera ini akan membutuhkan waktu berminggu-minggu atau bahkan berbulan.
And plan today normal.
Plan latihan hari ini normal.
melihat kondisi Guy
And the transfer window is soon to be open. Is Guy Junior secure, safe in PSM? Is his place in PSM still secure?
He have contract.
Dia punya kontrak.